Have you ever wondered how modern buildings are designed with such precision and efficiency? Or how architects, engineers, and construction professionals collaborate seamlessly to bring complex structures to life? The answer lies in Building Information Modeling or BIM. In this video, we'll break down what BIM is, why it's revolutionizing the construction industry, and how you can get started with it. Let's dive in. Building Information Modeling or BIM is a digital process that involves creating and managing detailed 3D models of buildings and infrastructure. But it's not just about 3D modeling. BIM is a smart, data-rich process that integrates information about every aspect of a building, from its geometry and materials to its cost, schedule, and even energy performance. Think of BIM as a shared knowledge resource for everyone involved in a construction project. Architects, engineers, contractors, and owners can all access and contribute to the same model, ensuring better collaboration, fewer errors, and more efficient project delivery. So, why is BIM such a game changer? Here are a few key reasons. 1. Improved collaboration. BIM acts as a centralized platform where all stakeholders, architects, engineers, contractors, and owners can access and contribute to the same model. This eliminates silos and ensures everyone is on the same page. The key benefits include real-time updates, clash detection, and streamlined workflow. For example, in a large hospital project, architects, structural engineers, and MEP engineers can collaborate on a single BIM model to ensure all systems fit together seamlessly. 2. Enhanced visualization. BIM provides 3D models that are far more intuitive and detailed than traditional 2D drawings. This helps stakeholders visualize the project before construction begins. The key benefits include client engagement, design accuracy, and marketing tools such as high-quality rendering and animation softwares. For example, a developer uses a BIM model to create a virtual tour of a new office building, helping potential tenants visualize the space and make leasing decisions faster. 3. Cost and time savings. BIM helps identify and resolve issues early in the design phase, reducing costly rework during construction. It also improves project scheduling and resource management. The key benefits include early error detection, accurate estimations, and efficient scheduling. For example, a contractor uses 4D BIM to plan the construction of a high-rise building, identifying potential delays and reallocating resources to stay on schedule. 4. Sustainability. BIM supports sustainable design by enabling energy performance analysis, material optimization, and life cycle assessment. The key benefits are energy efficiency, material optimization, and green certifications. For example, an architect uses BIM to design a net zero energy building, optimizing the orientation, insulation, and HVAC systems to minimize energy consumption. 5. Lifecycle management. BIM isn't just for design and construction, it's also a powerful tool for facility management and operation. The key benefits are asset management, predictive maintenance, and space management. For example, a university uses a BIM model to manage its campus facilities, tracking maintenance schedule for HVAC systems and planning future expansions. In short, BIM is transforming the way we design, build, and manage structures, making it an essential skill for anyone in the AEC industry. Building information modeling might feel like a modern buzzword, but its roots stretch back over half a century. It all started in 1970s when researcher Charles Eastman proposed a groundbreaking idea. What if he could store detailed information about every part of a building inside a computer? He called it the Building Description System. At the time, it was ahead of its era, long before today's technology could make it practical. As computers became more powerful, the industry took its first big leap in 1982 with the release of Autodesk AutoCAD. Architects and engineers could draft digitally inside of on paper for the first time. It was revolutionary, but still limited to 2D drawings. Then came 1987 when Graphisoft launched ArchiCAD. This was the first software that allowed architects to not just draw but build a virtual 3D representation of their projects. It marked the first true glimpse of BIM in action, even if the term wasn't widely used yet. That changed in 1992 when a paper by Z. A. van Nederveen and F. P. Tolman officially launched the term building information modeling. It was the beginning of a new way of thinking, not just drawing buildings but modeling their entire life cycle digitally. In 1997, a company called Revit Technology was founded with a bold mission to develop a software platform designed entirely around the principles of BIM. Their approach, parametric modeling, a system where every element of the design is interconnected. Change one part and everything else updates automatically. By 2002, Autodesk had acquired Revit, bringing their powerful tool under their brand and accelerating BIM's adoption across the industry. Suddenly, designers could work faster, more accurately, and with more collaboration than ever before. In 2003, the establishment of the Building Smart Alliance pushed BIM forward by advocating for open standards, ensuring that different software could communicate and share data, a crucial step for global collaboration. Then in 2007, the UK government made a bold move. It mandated the use of BIM for all public projects. This decision didn't just affect government buildings. It sent a signal to the entire construction industry that BIM wasn't optional anymore. It was the future. By 2010, BIM had evolved beyond simple 3D models. It began incorporating 4D for time management, 5D for cost estimation, and 6D for sustainability analysis. This multidimensional approach allowed professionals to simulate the entire building process, from design to construction to long-term operations. And today, BIM continues to transform artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud computing. BIM isn't just a design tool, it's becoming the digital backbone of the construction industry. From automated clash detection to smart buildings that monitor their energy use, BIM connects every phase of a building's life. We have come a long way from simple blueprints to intelligent, data-driven models that power the future of architecture and construction. Whether you are an aspiring architect, an engineer, or a construction professional, learning BIM can open up new opportunities and help you stay ahead in your career. If you are excited to learn more about BIM and how to use tools like Autodesk Revit, subscribe to BIM Design Studio and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.